Guys, Paul
and Ryan,
PA Outdoors couple, and we have something here on this little adventure trip that we have camping in Bald Eagle State Forest. We have a Norwegian delight, I believe. Let's see. Quintessentially Norwegian?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. For the product from Oslo. This is brown cheese. What?
I don't know. What?
Okay. This is Ski Queen. Brown cheese.
It feels like a cube of caramel.
Yes, it feels and looks like a cube of caramel. So, or caramel, because it's hard. Caramel's funny. That's how I always look at it. Sweet brown cheese, a blend of goat and cow's milk. Creamy caramel cheese. Okay, serving and recipe suggestions with apple pie, caramel sauce, ice cream, waffles and pancakes, and served sliced on bread. So it is cow plus goat equals love.
It's love.
And it says here, cheese slicer invented by Thor Bjorklund of Lillehammer, Norway. So there you go. So we're gonna get it out of the package.
I've never had this.
She's never had this.
And I love cheese.
She loves cheese. So
I don't know if this is gonna be cheesy or caramel.
Now think again about the caramel look.
It does look.
It looks like literally a block of caramel.
But also like Velveeta.
Velveeta block of caramel.
Just listen. Jiggly.
Okay, so.
It cuts like smooth caramel.
Yeah. All
right. It's soft cheese.
Here it is.
It smells like cheese. Like a cheddar.
Yeah. Well, it definitely. Oh! That one's.
Some for the homies.
Yeah. For Bjork Lordenson. What was that? What was his name? I forgot it. Now it has that pasture kind of cheesy farmyard smell to it.
I think it smells like the spreadable cheese, like a port wine cheese almost.
I do get a hint of that caramelly vibe though.
Oh, yeah. At the end, it's kind of sweet.
Sweet and caramelly. It's smooth. It definitely has that farmer's cheese because you do a little bit of that goat cheese flavor, and then you have a little bit of that more typical smooth, creamy, like Havarti cheese, you know.
Very creamy. I was very surprised by the texture on my first bite.
Mm-hmm.
It is almost like eating caramelized cheese. It's really
Pileated woodpecker. He likes it.
Weird to describe.
When I had this cheese first, I was like, ugh. And then I was like, can I have more of that? And then I ate more of it.
It's a very light flavor.
I haven't had it in years, but I wanted to bring this on as the surprise what we're going to eat tonight, this weekend with that. But we also got we went over to Burkholder's, and we got some chocolate covered peanuts. We have a steak, and we got this, I don't know, you put the garlic butter away. We got these big blobs of garlic butter to put on the steaks, and she just cooked a sweet potato and a potato with the garlic butter. She said it's very good. And the shallots. Oh, I forgot the shallots in there as well. So we're eating good in the neighborhood.
And we have smoked kibasi, and we got smoked hot pepper cheese.
Scary.
Which is going to be cheesier than this. It's very mild flavor.
Easy going, mild flavor. But I think it's mild in a nice way because it lets that kind of caramel vibe come up.
It's something if you wanted to experience it once, it's kind of neat. But what would you make with this? Doesn't really taste.
When I ate it, I literally just ate it like this and ate it. I wasn't doing anything with it, but you can. I wonder what it would taste like melted within like a strudel or something like that.
It did say apple pie. I bet you this would be really nice with apple pie because it's mild. Yeah. I think a cheddar would be good with apple
This is quintessentially Norwegian. Between the fjords and mountains of Norway, traditional Ski Queen classic brown cheese is made with a mixture of caramelized whey and milk of cream of cows, goats, and both from cows, boats, cows, goats, or both, creating a sweet and classic treat. Now, this is where caramelized whey and milk or cream from cows, goats, or both. Is it? Well, what is it then? Is it cows, goats, or both?
Whatever's available at the time.
Whatever
the
we got.
package said
This is
cow and goat equals love.
Love. The full-bodied flavor and creamy caramel adds a zesty sweetness to sauces, pastries, and puddings, making Ski Queen Classic a truly versatile ingredient and a unique twist to a classic recipe. Or serve the Norwegian way, thinly sliced on salty butter bread.
Salty butter on bread.
Yeah. So salty butter. Well, you have some Irish salty butter
and bread,
and the finest bread. So we might have that.
I think it'd be good on a cracker.
Want to have that on breakfast?
Maybe.
Ski Queen breakfast with Irish butter and 12-grain bread.
Yeah, that sounds good. I think it would be good with a grilled cheese sandwich. I think it would be nice and melty. Or sauces. I think this would be good in a dip. A queso
what if we make a
or
mountain pie with it? We have the mountain pie maker.
Just a grilled cheese.
Yeah.
In the morning.
Yeah. We might try that later. But I like for what it is completely unique, and I like the uniqueness. Even though I know this might be a polarizing beer for some people. No, cheese. I'm sorry, I do beer reviews so much, and I usually say polarizing beer because some beers are just not for everybody. Polarizing cheese I don't do cheese reviews, I'll tell you that. I like this as a cheese, though. Obviously, there's other cheeses I like much better, but I'd always give this a go at least once a year. I like it for what it is. It's interesting.
It is interesting.
Ski Queen. What do you think?
A little too soft for my liking.
Okay.
Maybe better in a melted scenario.
Okay.
Yeah. Eating it like this, I want it to taste like caramel.
Yeah. Just pure caramel.
I want it to taste like sweet because that's exactly what it looks like.
I get the sweetness out of it.
It does have the sweetness, but not caramel.
Not caramel, but I do get a caramelized tonality and a little bit of a sweetness in there. And then yes, you get like kind of that farm cheddar, more of a barnyardy sense. It's not as refined as other cheese. You know what I mean? It's more of a farmer's cheese. So I do enjoy it, and I like goat's milk and cheese quite a bit.
Very mild.
Yeah.
I think it would go with a lot of anything.
Yeah. Would you have this again?
I would, but it was $9 for that tiny little square.
Yeah, that's why I always buy it, which is I should have waited a little bit because it says April 25th right here. It's out of date then, which will go on sale because you know how cheese never goes really bad because it's already bad because that's why it's cheese.
Better with A.
Yeah. So, but yeah, it's going to go on discount here. So if she really liked it, I'd go back and buy more of it. But right now, I think she's on the fence. What do you think?
I don't need to have it. I think it would be an interesting thing to take to holidays for family who hasn't had this before.
Right.
But other than just for the experience.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think it would be good with the grilled cheese.
We'll give it a go.
And it'd probably be really good in a mac and cheese also. A melted scenario.
Okay.
It's too soft for me.
All right. Well, this has been brown cheese, Ski Queen's brown creamy caramel cheese from Oslo, Norway, and we're camping. We're gonna have a great time doing it this fall.
All right.
PA Outdoors Cup. Cheers.
Get outdoors. Eat cheese outdoors.